now.
Let's go to some places that might actually make you money then in the short term. Want to go to Apple, down almost 2% on Friday. What level does it have to hold for you to get interested?
Well, we talked about Apple last week, and I said that I really wanted to see it hold the mid 370s. That was already sliced through. Market just doesn't have the buying to keep these stocks up. Next level is probably in the mid 350s. I'm going to see how it acts. If it can pull back to the 350, 360 area, that would be the next area I'd look to step in for a tier 1.
Avoiding it until then?
Probably.
All right, let's go to Netflix. Just got killed. This disaster on Friday after Star said it wouldn't renew its contract. Would you be shorting this at all? I mean, already down 9%. Is there more room for downside?
There's definitely more room for downside. You got to remember, Netflix is a high beta momentum stock. It was a story stock for the last year and a half, 2 years. And when the story ends, sometimes it ends viciously, and these things can go down a lot faster than they can go up. That's just the pure mentality of fear. When the fear sets in, we know that that can be a very, very aggressive, fast trade. So Netflix, to me, does look like it wants lower. I do think, given the fact that we had such a large gap down on Friday, it's going to need a little time to set up. I'd watch the action over the next week or two to see how it bases and develops, but to me it looks like it wants lower. Before
you want that strategy. Okay, let's round it out with Salesforce.com, down almost 3% on Friday, but it had such a nice move before that.
Well, with Salesforce, again, to me, great 2009, 2010, lots of money to be made. Making money in the stock market, as you know and I know, is all about not only good ideas, but good timing. And if you don't respect the timing, you always think you can just step in whenever you want. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. Sometimes that can be a very punishing experience. And to me, Salesforce, as much as I like the sector and as much as it's outperformed, to me it's setting up for potentially a lower, a trade maybe back to the 200-day MA, which is right around 80, mid 80s.
All right. So it looks like in general we're looking at a wait and see mentality here. I also wonder if we're going to see some more light volume this week and how that's going to also dictate the volatility.
Well, September notoriously, coming out of Labor Day into September, generally the volume stays on the lighter side. But right now, price is moving exponentially. You're seeing 5% moves overnight, 2% moves overnight. So as much as the volume might not be the levels that we love it to be, the markets are still moving, and the volatility is still really there. So you need to respect that more so than anything else.
So wait and see, is that a good takeaway for me?
100%.
All right, there you heard it. Wait and see. Happy trading this Tuesday, everybody. Good luck out there. I'm Alex Steele from The Street.
And I'm Evan Lazarus from T3Live.com.